Hello everyone. I wanted to go ahead and record my classroom expectations for today and post it to Google Classroom because I will be out again this class period as a follow-up for my son's surgery he had last week. So here we go. You see your Google Classroom that I have here on my screen for you today. And your assignment has been posted. If you remember last week, we read together in class chapter 1.2, pages 8 to 11. And if you missed our class together or you need a refresher, remember in your Google Classroom, chapter 1 book is always posted here. Click on it and go to page 8. And you can read pages 8 to 11, chapter 1.2, Science at Work. Your assignment today starts with the lesson review, number 1 through 4. If you go back in your Google Classroom, lesson review page 11, number 1 through 4, I have posted a little Google Doc where you can write your answers right on the Google Doc and share it with me when you are done. You have 2 worksheets that we will be working on as well, exercise 2 and the Science in Your Life number 7. These Google Forms are just like you have seen before. They are questions. Read the directions and answer by clicking your choice. You are allowed, and these are, I'm just clicking about, don't take these as the answers. I'm just clicking to show you what you do. You are allowed to use your book. Please do so. And then we will review together in our next class. Remember, Mrs. Dupree doesn't give you the answers, so complete them and submit to me to get your credit. So today's assignment, lesson review page 11, number 1 through 4, Science in Your Life 7, and exercise 2. Use your book for all of those assignments, and your book will be found in your Google Classroom under Chapter 1 heading. Please let me know if you have any questions. Text me on Remind. Your Remind chat, your Remind text app, if you have not signed up for it, can be found under your resources tab under contact information. Please remember, it is an important way to get a hold of me quickly if you need to. I will respond very quickly. If you do not have a way to sign up for Remind, you can always email me through your Chromebook. All right. Thank you, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye.